Hello again, my name is Q and welcome to my channel and to my chair. This week's video is going to be a bit different once again. As some of you may know, I go to a craft fair every Saturday. In fact, I'm one of the organisers of it, and we have a lovely gentleman and his wife come in most Saturdays, and he came up to me one day and took out of his bag a wooden statue of what looked like a Spartan warrior, which was the picture you saw as the thumbnail. Here it is. Yeah. And it was really nice, all hand carved. He picked her up in Spain, southern Spain somewhere. But the spear had broken, and he said, "Can you make me a new spear?" So he brought me the tip of the spear, which was actually broken there, and I've just super glued it, CA'd it back together so I can get the shape. And I said, yeah, I'll give it a go. So that's what today's going to be. I'm going to be making a full spear for that. Now, I've got a bit of walnut, and I've traced the shape onto there, and I've taken it down the sides, and I've marked for a hole which is going to be 3mm. So the other thing I bought is this, which is 3mm walnut dowel. So what the plan is, drill a hole first in there, then cut that out on the bandsaw, and then cut down to length, and then shape the spearhead, and then glue that dowel into that 3mm hole. That's the plan. Yeah, I've never done anything like this before. I've done modelling, as you know if you've seen my matchstick models, but this is going to be fun. He did ask me how much I wanted, and I said absolutely nothing. It's going to be fun to give it a go. And he said, well, I've got an apple tree in my garden, and I've taken some of the limbs down recently. He said, do you want some of that? I said, fine, sorted. I'll have some of your apple, and I'll try and make you a spear. So, right, I can't really get a camera anywhere near my drill press at the moment, so I'm already dressed for the workshop, so I'm going to go and drill a 3mm hole in there, and then I'll see you on the bandsaw. See you shortly. Okay, so I've got the hole drilled in the end, so everything's switched on. Here we go. See, I did go a bit close, too close there, but I've got plenty of length in here to still fit that in. So, on to the next bit. I ended up cutting another one because I really wasn't happy. So, what I've got to do now is scribe a line roughly down the middle on all four sides to give me a rough idea of where I'm going to be going with it. I've looked for my files, my small wood files, and I've had a bit of a tidy up. I've put them somewhere, which is fatal for me, because now I can't find them. So let's get on with this. This is 120 grit. Okay, that's what that's going to look like. It is working. It's going to take me a bit, so I'll bring you back when it's the next bit. See you in a second. I'm quite pleased with that. Not what I wanted, because I said I couldn't find my files, but let's see. That, to me, looks not quite as crisp. I may well end up doing another one for him, see if he likes this one. So I'm just going to give this a little bit of hand sanding now, and I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, look, well, I've just cut this at a random length. I'm giving this to the gentleman tomorrow, because today's Friday and we have a craft fair tomorrow. So he's bringing his statue along, so I'll fit this into the statue, and then the gentleman can determine how long he wants to stay, because that's actually quite big, quite tall. It'll probably end up about a foot or 30 centimeters long. So yeah, different, short video for me. I'll take some pictures of this with its warrior, and I'll pop them up at the end. So totally different for me, but if you've liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, give it a thumbs down. Let me know why. This is not your sort of thing. Normal services will be resumed soon, next week. And if you're not subscribed and you have liked what you've seen, have a look at my other videos. You can subscribe through my icon at the bottom, and click all on the notification bell, and YouTube lets you know when I upload a video, which is normally a Thursday. And to everyone that's been with me and stuck with me over, as I said, the few months that I've not been able to do anything, diolch yn fawr iawn to all of you, new, old, die-hard, everybody. I really, really do appreciate it. So all that's left for me to say now is diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much. Please stay safe, take care, and I'll see you next week. Bye now.